Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the industry is going to hurt if it continues. That admission from the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, to the string of protests by hotel workers in recent weeks. The JHTA has also joined the calls for hotel operators to communicate with staff to determine their level of satisfaction with working conditions. The series of protests by hotel workers this week again brought to light glaring concerns about the salaries and working conditions of some within the sector. And it has caught the attention of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association. Robin Russell is the president.
I'm imploring management, please. We're seeing what's happening, and we cannot allow the entire tourism industry to fail because you're not listening to your staff.
The country's tourism sector has already taken a major blow this year due to the negative travel advisories, the U.S. presidential elections, and the unavailability of airline seats. With the protests now becoming a trend, there's growing concern. It's why Mr. Russell wants hotel operators and managers to communicate with staff to determine their level of satisfaction with working conditions.
This disruption benefits no one, because the industry is going to hurt if this continues. And at the end of it, the industry will fail. What is important and what I will ask for is that dialogue be open, dialogue be transparent, and persons sit down and figure out where the differences are and make the allowances.
In the meantime, the JHTA says it has established a committee to examine some of the issues raised and create a list of guidelines for hotel workers.
We are putting it out. Hopefully by Monday, this will be out to all our hotel members on how to really address some of these concerns and what a best practice scenario should look like.